Say turbo.
Turbo.
Say now.
No.
I lay me down to sleep. I pray the Lord my soul to keep the angels watch me through the night and keep me in their blessed sight. Amen. Say amen. Good girl. Say, Manya, buy it for me. You want Emmeline to open it?